Shark is sick today. Dr. Kitty's on the way. Check, check, check. What should we do? Dr. Kitty will help you. Meow, meow, don't you cry. Dr. Kitty's standing by. Baby Shark wakes up so slow. Tiny sneeze, achoo. Tummy hurts and head feels hot. Feeling happy, maybe not. Oh no, no, what's wrong today? Dr. Kitty's on the way. Check, check, check. Runs in fast. How with the doctor bag at last. Heartbeat check. Boom, boom, boom. Kitty says you'll feel good soon.
1, 2, 3.
Check, check, check. 1, 2, 3. Dr. Kitty helps with me. Baby Shark says achoo, achoo. Ritty laughs, bless you too. Medicine taste, yucky yup. Baby Shark says, oh no, yuck. Sip, 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 drink it up. Soon you'll jump and splash and hop. Kitty puts ice on Shark's head. Time for rest in your warm bed. Baby Shark takes little nap, then wakes up and starts to clap. Yay, 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 feeling great. Dr. Kitty saved Daddy. Baby Shark jumps in the sea, healthy, happy as can be. Dancing, splashing all around. Happy Sharky makes this sound. Thank you, Kitty, thank you, meow. I feel so much better now. Oh no, no, sick no more. Baby Shark swims like before. Hip, hip, hooray, 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 hooray. Oh, bubbles, crack, cash, plash. Bubble, bubble, pop, pop, pop. Kitty says don't let it stop. Baby Shark goes splash, splash, splash. The bubbles just crash, crash. Step up, pop, up, up so high. Catch the bubbles in the sky. Beaky blows a bubble small, then a giant bubble ball. Baby Shark comes in with cheer. Oh no! Bubble party starting here. Bubble, bubble, pop, pop, pop. Funny bubbles never stop. Big blue bubbles fill the room. Floating high, zoom, zoom, zoom. Kitty tries to catch them fast. Bubbles fly right past. Pop, pop, pop. Jump and play. Catch the bubbles every. Baby Shark goes splash, splash, splash. Bubble tower starts to crash. Cup goes one right on Kitty's nose. Then another on her toes. Oh no, no, bubbles pop. Silly bubbles never stop. Pop, pop, pop. Jump and play. Bubbles bouncing off the wall. Tiny bubbles, giant called. Kitty spins and slips around. Hey, pop, pop, pop goes every sound. Hey. Bubble, bubble in the air. Popping bubbles everywhere. Plastic bubble floats so slow. Kitty whispers, there it goes. Baby Shark jumps super high. Pop it burst up in the sky. Yay, yay, yay! What a day! Bubble fun and splashy play. Pop, 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 pop. Jump and play.
Join our bubble park. It's so much fun.
Tidy iron train. Wow. Oh, it's 5 little dinosaurs riding on a train. Chuck, 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 going through the rain. Here, har, here, and stomp, stomp there. Dino chaos everywhere. Riding on a train. Choo, choo, choo. Kitty driving fast, you know. You know. 5 little dinosaurs riding on a train. One slipped down and bumped his brain. Kitty called the owl, and the owl then said, no more dinos jumping on the train. Riding on a train. Hip, choo, cow. Riding on a train. Hip, choo, cow. 4 little dinosaurs. Bingo! 4 little dinosaurs riding on a train. One went wild and broke the chain. Kitty called the monkey, and the monkey then said, stop the dino shaking the train. Choo, called the bunny, and the bunny then said, "Slow that crazy train right now. Fast, fast train. Choo, choo, go. Crazy, crazy train. Why a little dinosaur's riding on a train? He sneezed loud and cracked the pane. The kitty called the bunny, and the bunny then said, "Dino, train is working well. Riding on a train. Choo, choo, go. Riding on a train. Choo, choo, go. Happy Dino steal the show." Morning fun goes dark and slow. No kakaboda in a row. Minimo sleeping everywhere. Pavilion, who's not there? Oh no, 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 something's wrong. No rooster morning song. Meep, meep, meep. Farm is quiet, no alarm yet. No rooster voice to wake the farm yet. Sun is up but lights feel low. Everyone whispers, where did he go? Kitty yawns, this is strange. Farm feels like it lost its change. No cockadoodle, oh so low. Farm forgot how mornings go. Beep, meep, meep. Rooster tries but no sound comes. Beak opens, he shakes his head. Tries again but voice is gone like morning rain. Rooster cries, I lost my sound. Echo only all around. No cockadoodle, nothing dares. Rooster voice disappeared in air. Kitty jumps, don't worry now. I will fix this, I know how. She checks the barn, looks left and right. Even asks the wind at night. Wind says maybe he's just shy. Kitty smiles, let's try, try, try. No cockadoodle, nothing bare. Finds the voice, let's find it slow. Kitty finds a tiny seed. Rooster swallowed while he ate feed. She laughs, oh I see the case. No. Voice is stuck in tummy space. Rooster looks so super sad. Kitty says, don't feel bad. Oh, 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 mystery found. Voice is hiding underground.
Try to dig it out.
Kitty brings a magic tea. Drink this slowly, trust in me. Rooster drinks, gluck, gluck, gluck. Then suddenly, Huga hug. Yolk stuck, cock-a-doodle-doo. Morning sound is on the track. Animals wake with happy cheer. Morning sound is loud and clear. Meep, meep. Kitty smiles, problem done. Rooster shines like rising sun. Cock-a-doodle loud and bright. Farm is happy day and night. Light, 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 light,
I feel so down.
light. Now cock-a-doodle loud and bright. Farm is happy day and night. Now cock-a-doodle rooster voice to wake the farmer. Sun is up but lights feel low. Everyone whispers, where did he go? Kitty yawns, this is strange. Farm feels like it lost its change. No cock-a-doodle, oh so low. Farm forgot how mornings go. Meep, meep, meep. Farm forgot how mornings go. Rooster tries but no sound comes. Slap beak opens. He shakes his head. Tries again but voice is gone like morning rain. Rooster cries, I lost my sound. Rooster cries, I lost my sound. Echo only all around. Rooster cries, I lost my sound. Echo only all around. Meep, meep, meep. Morning sound is on the track. Meep, meep, meep. Kitty walks to school at night. Moon is glowing soft and bright, but the gate goes creak open slow. Kitty whispers, is someone there? Wind drip dressed when everywhere. She steps inside, lights go blink. Chalk writes words before she thinks. Books start flying in the air. No teacher here, just empty chair. Suddenly, boom! Desk moves on its own. Kitty jumps, I'm not alone. From cupboard a skeleton pops. Bones go clack, act never starts. He sits down with a spooky grin. Let's start, class. Let's begin. Kitty laughs, okay, this is new. Bones go dancing, clap, clap too. Cafeteria starts to shake. Zombie comes with hungry face. He looks at food, one big bite. Everything disappears in sight. Kitty shouts, hey, slow down. But Zombie spins all around. In science lab, lights turn green. Witch appears like movie scene. She stirs a potion, pop goes smoke. Even chairs start to float. Kitty says, that's kinda cool. Coach just laughs, welcome to school. Empty hallway, cold and wide. Ghost is floating side to side. Boo, he says very slow. Kitty runs, then stops like no. Ghost just laughs, I'm your friend. Spooky school, no real end. Morning light starts breaking in. Everything feels safe again. Skeleton waves, zombie smiles. Killing, witch says bye for many miles. Ghost disappears in air so thin. Kitty laughs, what a school I've been. Spooky school, but fun all day. Even monsters wanna play. Kitty and Dino ready to play. Hide and seek the counting way. Numbers hiding, where can they be? Let's find them. 1, 2, 3. Count, 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 come along. Hide and seek number song. Grab Mr. 1, Mr. 1, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near one little tree. One jumps out, happily. Mr. 2, Mr. 2, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near two tiny shoes. Two pops out with funny moves. Mr. 3, where are you? Let's find him. 1, 2, 3. Hey! Hiding near brain, bars and bees. Hannibal Gershel bone. Mr. 5, Mr. 4, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near 4 funny fogs. 4 jumps over logs. Mr. 5, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near 5 shiny stars. 5 waves from afar. Mr. 6, where are you? Let's find him. 1, 2, 3. Hey! Here I am, 6 silly sticks. 6 plays magic tricks. Mr. 7, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near 7 volumes. Taven sings funny tunes. Mr. 8, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near 8 top cakes. Malbut does silly shakes. Mr. 9, where are you? Let's find him. 1, 2, 3. Hey! Hiding near 9 toy cars. Dine zoom super far. Mr. 10, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near 10 jungle drums. 10 go boom, 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 boom. 2, 10, and she teet and boom. Hide and seek none. 1, 2, 2. Kitty and Dino clap and cheer. Let's count again right here. Count, 1, 2, 10. Play the number game again. Mr. 1, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near 1 little tree. 1 jumps out happily. Mr. 2, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near Drew, tiny shoes. 2 pops out with funny moves. Mr. 3, where I move. Spider-Man, 1, 2, 3. Hiding near Drew, buzzing green. Hide on more or show out. Mr. 4, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near 2 tiny shoes. 2 pops out with funny moves. Mr. 3, where are you? Let's find him. 1, 2, 3. Hiding near 4 funny stars. 5 days from afar. Mr. 6, where are you? Lucy and Lucky old earth don't spin. Made a silly shape.